Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Keep It Simple Sunday challenge hosted each month by Melissa Makes It DIY. She has a co-host each month, but I'm filming this very early. The challenge is still a couple of weeks from today, but I need to do this today. So I still don't know the name of her co-host. I will leave the link to her channel and also Melissa's channel in the description box. So please visit both channels and the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. This challenge is about making something simple but beautiful, trying to use things that all crafters can have at home, not complicated machines and stuff like that. All the elements I'm using can be replaced by even simpler things. And let's get started. This is a sign I bought at Dollar Tree, and I love it. This is the orientation, but I'm going to use it this way. And I wanted to do something for winter. I'm doing a lot of things for winter right now because I love decorating for winter. I only start decorating for spring, Easter by the end of March when spring comes. And I'm using also one of these trays that is also from Dollar Tree. I have two, and I don't remember, I bought them a long time ago. I don't remember if they were 2 for $1 or $1 each, and I decided to buy two. I really don't remember, but they're really inexpensive. So you have $2 here and things that you can easily find, so nothing complicated. What I'm going to do is a snowballs basket or tray, and I filled one of these trays with snowballs that I bought at LTD Commodity. Yes, I'm not sponsored by them, but they have amazing stuff and very, very inexpensive. I think they are 40 small balls in this package, and I paid $4.99 for them. I waited till they had free shipping, which they have at least once a month. So I have all of these and the ones you see here for $5. But you can replace them with cotton balls. And I bought these mini pom-poms at the craft area at Dollar Tree for $1. You can see there are a lot of them also. And I mix the biggest ones with the tiny ones. These are pine cones that came in some ornaments and pieces of decor that I was not using anymore, and I saved the pine cones, and they come in handy now because I think all white was too much. I thought they needed some touch of color, and I thought that pine cones were really great. I added this ribbon, it was a leftover, and I added the twine all around, as you can see, and I glued them with hot glue. You can use tacky glue, you can use whatever glue you have at hand, even wood glue. Sometimes I was run out of everything and I used wood glue for a ribbon and it worked. So anything that is sticky can work. And if you don't have the ribbon, something I did many times is I looked on Google, on internet, and I looked for buffalo check images, and I printed the stripe that I needed, the piece of paper that I needed to replace the ribbon, and I used that, and it looks perfect. It's really a really easy way to replace ribbon. This was the only bit that was left of this ribbon, so I couldn't make a bow, but I decided to make this knot, and I think it's cute. So I'm going to add it to the front of this basket. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm eyeballing the center. I hope I'm doing this okay. My protector. So here we go. So the basket is finished, and what I'm going to do next is to place a sign here. I use this blackboard kind of contact paper. I bought it on Amazon for $7, something like that. It's a lot of paper. Believe me, it's a lot. I use a lot, and it lasts me like 6 months each roll. But if you can't afford that, you can easily paint this area, the whole area or the area you want to write on, with just regular acrylic paint in black. I've done that also many times. And you can write on the black surface with white acrylic and a brush, whatever you want to write. I decided to use the blackboard paper. That, by the way, I didn't pay for it anything, because it was a present for Christmas from my son-in-law last year, well, the year before, 2019, and I still have all that, and I use it constantly. And I have this marker. It's really not expensive. It's one I love, and as I always say, I'm not sponsored by them. I only recommend the things that work for me. But as I said, if you don't have a white marker, well, just a brush and a white acrylic will do. Okay, so I'm going to add this paper. Hope I will be able to separate it quickly, because sometimes it takes a while. Bear with me. Yeah, this was easier than sometimes. Oh, I need to remove this. So let me see. You may be wondering why I'm adding it so high, but it's simply because I'm going to add this kind of frame, shadow box, or whatever you want to call it, to the basket. Like this. So, oops, as you can see, the border of the basket reaches the border of a sign. I'm doing this. I could have, at the very beginning I thought of gluing this here, but it was not going to stay standing. It was like kind of losing balance, so I think that it looks good this way. So I'm going to add hot glue to the border of the basket, so I can glue it to the frame and have my snowballs sign and basket ready. Now I have to be very careful. And here we go. Let's press this. Well, there is a, of course, as this is a frame, the basket doesn't touch the back of the frame. But anyway, it's going to stay glued if I am patient enough, which I am not. I need more glue here, because I don't want to make my videos really long and boring, but sometimes things need their time. There is a timing for everything. That's something that is hard for me to learn. I'm very impatient. So, okay. Let me see. Yes, it seems it's good. Of course, it's not going to be moved often. I'm going to place it on a shelf and it's going to stay there, so it doesn't matter if it's not completely firm or stable, because it's going to stay there. And as you can see, it's really simple and I think it's really cute. So I hope you like it as I do, and if so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Melissa and her co-host for this challenge. Sorry. Please visit their channels and watch the videos in the description box. And hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.